Welcome to this session. My name is Yoon Chung. I'm a sales engineer for Precisely, and I'll give you some insight into some of the new intelligent features coming into the product. Now, let's dive deeper into some of the new intelligent features available for beta testing. The first two features center around AI agents. We're introducing an AI assistant in the Evolve UI to help users interact with Evolve through natural language. The next one is the Evolve MCP server. This is going to make it easier for your AI agent of choice to work with tools available within Evolve and basically interact with SAP data in a controlled and secure way. The next two features there are related to challenges around business rules. And so intelligent rules discovery is going to help you mine your SAP data and automatically discover business rules, which you can then leverage in Evolve Form Solutions. And then lastly, intelligent autocomplete. We may have spoke about this last year, and this one is aimed towards master data workflow requests built on Evolve. So the idea here is to reduce the need for maintaining business rules and allow an algorithm to determine that data and serve it to the user. So this is to help improve user experience and speed up some of those processes. Here is the MCP server, and this is where this is one of the ones that I'm the most excited about. And so just to kind of level set things here, the MCP protocol is fairly new and was introduced by Anthropic back in 2024. It provides a universal, secure, and standardized way for AI applications to connect with external data sources, APIs, and tools. So for our customers, the Evolve MCP server provides three features to AI agents and MCP clients to invoke Studio scripts. It can retrieve data from SAP through OData APIs. And then it can also perform activities on Evolve workflows, such as approving tasks or canceling processes. The Evolve MCP server facilitates agentic AI integrations through standardized protocols, positioning Evolve as a valuable resource within the suite of tools available to AI agents. Next, I'm just going to walk you through how we've implemented this specifically for Automate Evolve and our Evolve MCP client and server. So on the left, you're going to see a user is going to interact with an AI agent. And because we're using the MCP standard, we can work with any AI agent and LLM that you want to use. And this is possible because we use an MCP client, which handles all of the protocol details. So things like context, discovery, and what tools are going to be available there. In the middle, we have the MCP server itself, which is going to be sitting on alongside Evolve. And this is going to handle authentication to ensure secure access. Within the server's context layer, AI agents will be granted access to tools that are going to be able to call Studio scripts. It's going to be able to interact with Evolve workflows, and you can also use SAP OData APIs directly. The AI doesn't necessarily replace the automations, our automations there. It's really going to be there to help orchestrate them intelligently based on the context and what the user is asking the agent to do. The server also handles tracking and governance. So the MCP server provides a detailed trace of every call being made between the agent and the server. Additionally, the MCP server will also use an internally configured LLM to help with tool assembly and other internal needs to support this design. So the LLM subscription can be different from the one that's being used by the AI agent. Now, next, I'd like to pass things over to my colleague Jayshree to show a demo of the MCP server in action. in her demonstration, you're going to see what we call a classic round trip scenario. So this one's going to make use of two of the AI tools in this use case, where first it's going to call an SAP OData API to search for business partner data. The agent is going to review that data, and then we're going to make some changes and upload the changes back into SAP using a Studio script.
Let's start in Evolve. I am in the administration app under the operations section, and here are all the AI tools that are available to agents from this server. You'll see we have the API underscore business partner API. This is SAP's OData API. And we've set this to not allow any write operations. So all we can do with this AI tool is read SAP data. And that was our intention with the demo as well. Now, we'll make the updates using the sales area update transaction script, which was created in Studio first, mapped to JSON, and then assembled as an AI tool here. So this will allow us to make changes in a very controlled manner using our Studio technology. Okay, so we're back to Claude, and we'll say find customers with sales district set to north. Great. So it made the call using our tool, and it was able to bring back an output of all the customers in SAP who have the sales area data and sales district set to north. Now we'll say fetch details, the sales area for these customers, and download to an Excel file. Okay, there we go. You can see it's pretty good at creating these files with all the data that we need. It has also fetched additional details like delivery priority, pricing procedure, sales office, and more. So now we can simply bring this file and open it up in Excel and analyze it. Okay, let's make some changes to this data now. We will set some of these sales district to south. We'll change the pricing procedure on the other ones and save our updates. Let's go back and say, I'm providing you updated details in Excel. Please make these changes in SAP. And we will provide our file. Now you'll notice it has identified the changes that were made, and it is also identifying the correct tool to make this change in SAP, which would be our sales area update transaction script. So it's populating the required payload for it, and we're going to say always allow. So it has completed the updates, and here you can see a quick summary of all the changes that it made. And it has also noted that some of the customers in my file had no changes, so I did not touch them. So let's verify one of these customers in SAP and make sure that the data was actually changed. So we're going to pick on this one and check if the sales district shows up as south. Okay, we are in SAP. Let's find our business partner using the customer number. And for this business partner, We are in the sales area data for the customer role, and you will see that the data was changed to South. We can also see this change fully documented in our Evolve system under MCP Trace. And you will see that tool number 48 was just used. And for customer key 2170, we provided the new sales area as well as some other values. And as far as the output trace goes, here is the log from the Studio script that was just run.
The Evolve MCP server lets you bring your AI model of choice while keeping actions governed through role-based controls. It turns natural language requests into approved Evolve automation. So you get a single auditable process intelligence layer across SAP and the systems around it. In closing, Precisely is making AI a priority, and we will continue to make it a focus on our product roadmap. We will continue to roll out AI-enabled features that is based on real outcomes for our customers. Thank you